Model, 2016 Renault Trafic Business SL29 dCi 115 starts drives needs repair VAT included. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 107,767. MOT, the 26th of March 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9 M115 E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. This still starts and drives brilliantly, unfortunately it does not select 4th gear. All of the other gears are fine. Gearbox will need repairing and replacing at some point. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,